So I know I'm looking a little bit raspy. I'm in my bonnet and my robe because I want to get comfortable, and that's how I feel comfortable. So this is how I look like 99.999% of the time. So the 0.0001% of the time that I do dress up, I dress up. So I'm mostly home, so I'm comfortable in my robe and my bonnet, so that's what I wear. So I don't want to hear it in the comments, oh shoot, I know, save it. Hey divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Hey divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Guys, today's video is going to be a sit down video, and I'm going to be doing Vlogmas. So this is Vlogmas day 1. Let's go. Woo woo. For those of you who don't know what Vlogmas is, it is a time in which YouTubers, content creators upload more frequent than usual. So they'll upload videos in this Vlogmas has to do with Christmas, so it's in December, and they upload from day 1, that's from the first day of December up to the 25th, or some persons go all the way through December. Some persons might upload 10 days before Christmas, 5 days before Christmas. Some persons upload every other day, but I'll try and upload every single day. If I haven't mentioned already, today is the first day of December, which means it is the first day of Vlogmas, and that is the reason why I'm making this video, because I was sitting and I was thinking, I want to do Vlogmas, but then I was like, what am I going to do? My thought was all over the place. All over the place, like Katie, you know? What am I gonna film? So I was like, I need to get creative, because I don't have to like upload like any vlogs. I can do short videos, just ensure that I upload. I can do like get ready with me, cleaning videos, washing videos, like laundry videos. I can do wig videos, skincare videos, hair care videos, just about anything, just make some content. So I was like, it's the first day of Vlogmas, which means we have a long way to go. It seemed pretty long, but it's gonna come to an end pretty soon, and that is the reason why I want to sit and make this video, because I was thinking to myself, oh, can I do this? What am I gonna film? As I said before, and then I just say, oh, I'm just gonna be myself, come before the camera, do what I love to do, just be natural. Don't try to do something that I'm not comfortable doing, put it that way. I'm just gonna create videos that I like to do, what I love to do, basically. Being that I was sitting and I was thinking, what am I gonna be filming for Vlogmas 2021? I was like, I'm sure I'm not alone, because there are persons out there thinking also, what are they gonna film? They're all over the place, like running up and down, like, oh, it's almost Vlogmas, what am I gonna film? I don't have an organization sheet, which I don't have either. I'm just gonna go like step by step, day by day, you know, and try to get stuff done, which is how it's supposed to be. All I want you guys to do is just get up, create content. Don't think about what he or she's gonna say, just get inspired. Do what you want to do what you love to do what you're comfortable doing and confident doing. this video is pretty short. I just want to come here, tell you guys that I'll be participating in Vlogmas. This is my Vlogmas day 1, and stay tuned for day 2, day 25. Hopefully I get there. Wish me luck, cheer me on. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Look out for my next video coming up tomorrow and the day after. Just subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell another friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. I removed now. Move it for it. Leave it. I bring.